Okay, so today we are going to be making a fish out of our origami paper. And when you start this origami fish, you are going to want to start with the pattern side up. If you have plain paper, it would be the colored side versus the white side. The first thing you're gonna do is fold it in half that way, open it up again, and then turn it and fold it in half that way. Make sure your creases are really good, like in all origami projects, that is an important thing. Then you're gonna open it and turn it over, and you're gonna take one side and fold it up to that crease. Make sure that you're to the middle crease. Make sure that you make that crease, and then take the other side and fold it up to meet the middle crease as well. All right, then it's kind of hard to see on this paper, but there is a crease right in the middle there. You're gonna take one edge and fold it over to meet the middle crease. Crease that edge again. And then you're going to fold half of this square into a triangle. So you have this little triangle fold here, and then fold the other one. And as soon as I fold it and crease it, I'll move my hand so you can see it. So there's like a little mountain, but it's folded down. This is the tricky part. You have to unfold it partially, flatten it out again, and then you'll have this triangle here. Then you have to do that with the other side. So you want this flap to be inside and the two triangles to be together, like that. Then you're gonna turn it around and do exactly the same thing with the other side. Make sure that your creases are good. Fold that triangle up. Triangle, and then you have this little guy again. And you're gonna gently take that out and flatten it out like that. Do the same thing with that side. So now you have this shape right here. Okay, the next thing you're gonna do after that is pick one of the sides and fold this flap out. So then you have this shape. We're gonna leave that alone for a second, and we are going to take this corner and fold it into there, and then fold it back out again. This is probably the hardest part. It makes the tail of the fish, and you want to try to go towards the corner, but then fold it out again so it looks like the tail. Fold it in, and then at an angle, fold it out, so then it makes the tail of the fish. Okay. Now we're gonna make the fish's head and dorsal and pectoral fin, or whatever that one's called. Okay, so now we're gonna make the fish's head, and we're gonna take this triangle and fold it in to meet this crease right here. It's hard to see, but there's a little crease right there. And then we're gonna do the same thing with the other side. And that makes the fish's pectoral and dorsal fin. And then we're gonna make one more fold to give it the shape of the face. We're gonna just do a little bit of a fold here. On top, it's called the mountain fold. Just fold it in. And now you have your fish.